Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 11th, 2020, and today on this particular video, we're going to speak on VeChain and see whether or not the trap is going to continue to lower the price, or will he actually try to hold some support and then eventually increase the value of this cryptocurrency. Now, before we dive on into that particular topic, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. We're not one of those FOMO forward boys out there on YouTube trying to just gear up views for their particular channel, but rather we're here to really assist you, to give you all a heads up as to what the trap is trying to do in the market for these cryptocurrencies. So make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe to our channel before you go. So here we are looking at VeChain. September the 24th, 2020 was the last time we did our video for VeChain, and here's our expectations. You guys can see it right here on our price chart. We was looking for the trap to continue to lower the value in VeChain, and that is precisely what occurred. Now, initially, it didn't go off as in plan. It didn't go according as to what we expected. The trap was able to at least hold, the market around 1 penny, 1.5 cents. And eventually we finally got that drop in the market. And we got the ultimate TP played out for us on October the 6th. So about 15.23% profitability was had into the market on that particular forecast. It took a while, but eventually it got there. 15.23% done. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of it, and let's anticipate what we see the trap doing going forward. Let's see what he's trying to do. So if I want to extend this descending line out further around this vicinity in VeChain, nothing has really changed, right? The market is still in a downtrend. Nothing has changed into the market for VeChain, and it's a very severe downtrend too. It's a very hard slope to the downside in VeChain as of this particular moment. So the question is, have we found support just yet into the market in VeChain? And if so, where was it? Now, if you can tell me where that support area is, let me know with a comment, because right now this is what I'm seeing. This was support right here in VeChain at 1 penny. That is it. We came and bounced off that particular area just like we did about 2 years ago, where the market in VeChain came and tagged a penny. Now, from that particular time in 2018, we were suppressed and submerged under that penny for about 2 years. And we finally broke it in July 2020. So it's been 2 years of the market in VeChain being submerged under 1 penny. And now we're back testing that 1 penny area. Will we be successful? Let's talk about that real quick. So we now know that support into the market for VeChain is at 1 penny. And we're still in a downtrend though. The trend has not been broken from the downtrend that we started all the way back in August. Keep that in mind. Let's take a look at VeChain on a 3-day price bar. So, are you seeing any indications of any monumental strength coming to the market in VeChain? On the 3 days, I'm not. What about 5 days? Are you seeing any indications of market strength on a 5-day price chart? I am. What about on weekly time frame? It's a wash. I don't see that much strength. I don't see that much weakness in the market in VeChain right now. Not on the weekly time frame. What about 3 weeks? Same thing. It's a wash. So for those individuals who are looking for VeChain to go higher in price, your preference, your visual eyes need to be seen at 1 penny. Okay. The market breaks 1 penny to the downside. Expect us to trade just like we did for a 2-year time period. Trade below it already. That needs to be something that you need to consider. Okay. So I'm not seeing any bullishness. I'm not seeing any bearishness trends ongoing into the market in VeChain right now. not on a daily basis. Long term, yeah, we're in a downtrend. We came and found support at 1 penny. We did that. Done. Over. So what is going to happen to the market in VeChain going forward? Nothing much. That's our forecast. We don't see a lot of price action really going on in the market in VeChain. Just really consolidational trading. And it's going to be from 1 penny all the way up there towards 0.013. Right? Not a lot. So this is our forecast. We're not going to put a forecast into the market in VeChain just yet because the market is calm. We don't see any biased direction as to what the trap is going to do into the market in VeChain. The only thing that is biased is the current trend that we're in right now. So keep that in mind. So we're not going to put in a forecast on this particular video. We just want to talk about some of the things that are concrete that we're recognizing from the trap perspective at what he has already done. And based off what he has already done, we're just getting consolidational trade as of this particular moment. So when the market consolidates, you don't make too much profit depending on your time frame of when you get in and when you get out. So you can make profit on an hourly time frame for VeChain to play in the consolidational trading range. You can do that. But from a daily, weekly, we don't see too much really going on in the sense of a huge movement higher or a huge movement to the downside. Not right now. So we'll have to come back in on our next video for VeChain and give you all, see if anything has changed as to giving us a visual depiction as to what the trap is trying to do, because as of right now, we're just looking for the market to really hold a range. So that range is 1 penny for support, all the way back up there. I would say around 0.0135. Okay, that's about it. So now it's your turn. What do you see? I mean, are we going to continue to go lower as the current trend is? Are we going to see higher price, or are we just going to consolidate like what we're forecasting? Let us know with a comment. And that's it. We sit back, come back in the next time, see what he's done, and update you all on our updated price forecast into the market for VeChain. But for right now, we don't see nothing. All right. So now tell us what you think. Leave us a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll speak again.